You know, say the boy must go to the man. The boy got to the man and said, I don't know where the boy got to the man and said, but some go to confrontation, go on, and I never know, I don't know nothing. So you know, say, the man know when me got one, but the man, baby mother, film friend, I walk and tell people, say, me point out the man. Instagram, I'm going to be honest and talk the truth. They might give me more than what me can be. My mother just dead, and this big belly man takes it from me. My mother just dead, and the man takes it on me. People, me don't know them business. Me no fast know them business. Anything where happen, me don't really know. In a Birmingham, God kill me. I'm opinion them if me lying. I don't know none about them. But this man, I feel run a high water upon the party. The man knows see me I do my little dance, and the man see me thing a shot. The man see me dance them a shot. People have years or so me dance them a shot. They see me two last dance when they see me keep and it shot. Last year my Timberland dance shot and my birthday party shot. My daughter party, I saw me something them ever shot at them. And them same pussy wall used to fight against me for the last 7, 8, 9 years. I remember think them used to see him like when I pick up and what the boy I do me now. This is how them used to do me the last 10 years and try to flap out my blood clot dance them. And now the man know him I do. The man knows some little thing I come up and me I pay my own mind. Me not interested in them. And the man I tell lie upon me. People me never point out nobody in the world. Me not do them something them are real bad. People me say me I want piece of bad girl go ask about me bad. Me not point out people. Me not inform. Me not do wicked evil thing. Me rather get a knife and come cut you out of your clothes. That's the only evil what me do. Me not do evil. And this boy, this man I come tell lie upon me about me. Me say, see how I cry. Me can't wait for lock up that man. Them want lock him up. God up I ever know more lock him up because him lie upon me. He tell real lie. I see the lie when him tell upon me. He must set up my life. And my boat set up my life. And what again? He want me dance a flop. Why you want me dance a flop and me have to feed my family them? I mean me mind my family them blood. The fuck my family my Jamaica depend upon me blood. The fuck you want me flop pussy? Pussy what you want me for flop for? Batty man. Yo, me say thing me a done. Me not done. Not done when do a fucking wrong. Him have kids. Him have fucking kids. I come tell blood clot like on me face. Face we born and grow the bodies. With this pussy I come from about pint out. We know we not to do them something there. The man tell lie upon me say me pint out in front to the man. Me and the man have to go in and court him have to prove it. I say me not done, me I bring the money I got court. Not done in it really hurt me. It hurt me to the ground. Cause I cry to my brethren Monday and tell him. So I say the man I move away with my face. I cry to my brethren because I say the man I move away with me now. Because you know I see my pose up with the girl. You know the girl? Where my ball and say she. You see all them pussy them stir shit. You see all them batty boy they stir blood clot shit. Because bad to bad the girl was my hairdresser. My ball and say she make the man kick me down whatever. I'm done where that is concerned, yeah? So now, him see me, him a pose up with the girl that try eat me up. I story shit and him is a big man. The man is a big man. Me and the man are so. Me and the man have nothing. The man say him know my brother DebbieDiamon. Him know my mother Essie. And him I want to be the one to set me up. I feel so that man was involved. That's why the boy keep me down back where. He was there the night. And me give him £100. The whole of them are evil and wicked them. Pussy are the worst thing you gonna make me know say that you try to do to me set up my life. Are the worst thing you make me know and find out. I set up life right now. Mama tell you that. Are the worst blood clot thing you gonna do. The man will keep me down, me not pint him out. So the blood clot me gonna pint out the man where I fuck give people blood clot girl. Eh? Don't fuck with me pussy. Me I learn you a sauce cause you go like you ain't done boy, you ain't not done. He's not no done, he's a waste man who love chat. Be a chatty blood clot chat and tell lie from people. And you don't like nobody from round West Kingston. Don't make me go in another part there. Please. Don't make me go into that part there. Because Dodos not doing nothing now and always a call up blood clot Dodos name too. Don't make me go into that segment there. Always a lick out and you don't know Dodos. Don't make me go into that segment there. Go fuck with the wrong blood clot bitch you fuck with. And they telling us say don't make the all us tumble down pound of pussy on the still. Where you say good as enough woman them fight against in a Birmingham is not me alone. Me know. Me niece, me see them a do it. Me niece, me see them do it, 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 me see them do it so much. But sometimes I can't bother with them. Cause me niece, you see me, you see me up on the line, me like cut up people. Me like cut up people and stab up people. And that me like do. You see this on the live? I know me that. Me if you do this now, for me not cut up people. Cause you say me not do this, I swear upon God Bible, ask anybody who know me, go look for these people and cut them up. Remember me tell you. You see, you hear me talk, say, me go do something, me not do it. You see, if you don't hear me talk, people dead. Tell them no fuck with me. And only hear me come from this and say, me go call police by here, me go make man beat ya, me not do it. Me not do it. But make me not come talk, you see what happen. People dead. Don't fuck with me, pussy. Sir, no, boy, pan the corner. Yeah, lady, and sir, the boy pan the corner informer. Them all call 21 gun police pan the blood clot thugs you them down a blood clot I get. And nobody not talk about that. When you call police, 21 gun police pan the boy them. And when the boy them get locked up straight away. And now the boy they pan tag. Yeah, cause you know want see nobody nowhere. I want alone for each up in a people place. Yeah, nobody else not for go there. I want alone for go there and it's not for a place. We're not gonna bring down the people in place. That's what we're doing. When you pussy wall, when you see the girl in my chair, you go around them and bring them down and mash up them little place. If the girl them have a little club or have a little ear shop anywhere, when you go there, go mash it down and bring down the people them pussy and ramp with me. When you not play with me. Don't fuck with me. Me eat on the like poison now. Find out what I do to me. Said night when the boy take my back way and keep me down, me give you £100. When I broke and hungry in a blood clot. Don't fuck with me. Me style you know. And me style you know wicked because I grow good in a blood clot. Man them just snake. Big up Berlad. Also love Berlad. Manners. Boy them a snake in a dance hall. See Berlad and them youth, they are really out, them boy they hustle them money. And Berlad and one boy at Birmingham having money too. Rest of them broke. A girl them depend upon. Blood clam, you know all of the man them with them things. A long time me in this. I'm reading the comments here my people. Yeah them for stop. Man them a pose for the video light more than the woman them. God kill me, Nickel. Nickel put some. Nickel don't laugh when you say that, please. Man, we love laugh. Nickel don't laugh too. Nickel, me go read back your comment to the people them. You say the man them a pose for the video light more than the woman them. Nickel don't laugh when you say it too much. Nickel, if you lick out on them something, Nickel, don't make them joy them na them Batman behavior. A Batman behavior them a come with. Nickel, me see one pussy the boy ugly no bumbo clot come in front of me at the dance. Me want kill him. Me want kill the boy. The boy come pose in front of me so in the dance. A batty boy do that. You never know. Bumbarous clot. No real man now pose in front of girl in a dance. No real man nah do it. I feel like me that chop the boy in him face when him do it. I said this a boy a straight batty boy. I push out the blood clot girl them. That's why that one day drop like breadfruit. Me not care. Is a man who me like. But him beat for drop on the man cocky head in his mouth. The minute them a run a wet up. And wet up the waist blood clot man them. When I put no money in a dance. Them not do nothing for dance all more than disgrace the people them and diss them. Pussy me I gonna make no fun to get boxed down. Yeah? No make no friend take my back way and keep me down. Watch me, I don't know. Cause the instigator them I like, you know. I like the instigator them. I'll know I don't send one somebody and say go kill that boy there or beat that boy there. The boy will take my back way. I'll know me not do that. I'll know me not do it. I'll know me not point out the boy to nobody. You get me? I think I'm going to daughter alone and point out that boy to take my back way. Because when I just come back from Jamaica, soon come. When I just come back from Jamaica, I'm going to go a big trip. My daughter did it. You get me? No, my daughter never did it. My daughter come in and see me. I'm sure my daughter says, see the boy over there, you know, take my back way, you know. And my daughter said, don't lie, mom, where is he? And she started looking at him mad. Me sorry, me tell her. Me sorry, me tell my daughter. Till we have to even leave out, they become never a party where him there at the time, you see me? People me read in the comment and go away. Take Debbie phone, please. Why them are living back man in a dance for them. Yeah, dash out. Catch her at right this for blessed. Big up yourself. Didn't even know my comment post Instagram block. That kiss me teeth lol. This app not easy. Debbie seafood nice bad. And them a fight against me. The said boy them a fight against my food, you know. Them same boy there. And some of them suck pussy selector boy, yeah. You think me not see no fight against my food? I chew a beer, blood clot, malicious words. To put off people from buy my food. Pussy on not get away. Remember me they telling you. Oh. See me not soon wanna do. See me not soon I do the things them. But pussy when you do it, you know, cause me I gonna do it too. I'm not gonna know when me I do it. Pussy. Think gonna can't stop me, my friend. No, I'm 50 pounds, me done. My friend, God kill me, I'm gonna pity them. If you're not 50 pounds, I better take it, me done. Me done. Alright, give me 45. What you are you there, boy? Big up, my brother. I'm gonna bring it for you special, now. Watch you, me can't broke. Them for know that. Big up Berlard, them boy have them money. No, you know what I love Berlard? I love Berlard. Him always want to support me. He's a good blood clot pick me and him gonna bless till God come. And the dancing man, every week him buy cologne from me. And him look for me in the dance and say, Debbie, I should more support you, you know, when you have the cologne, bring it come. Blood clear. Now I'm just sell him a bad Chanel blue. Mad. 100 pound cologne. Them pussy they are fight against me because them broke. I really love you, Debbie. You're the blood clot best. Try make sure you come on me dance, you know, Michael. I you come collect my money, you know. Michael, I you come collect my money, I dance, you know. I buy a drink. See me there in the shop, I buy a cream soda and cut the devil them. Dirty Obia Walker boy them. And the boy them a work me a Obia too, you know. Girl them not do nothing. Big up the girl them. I have no problem with Birmingham girl them. I like them bad. I mean, I didn't know where I see no, I not see no fight and make no fight. I broke it up or me help you. If you don't know the next party, we help you beat them blood clot and run them away. Sorry, sir. You get me? I have no problem with Birmingham girl them. The girl them alright, the girl them like me. And the man them a do it. Cause bad to bad, eh? Yeah, thanks. You pay for it. Manners. See my friend pay for my drink. Listen, you want me to try showing the people. Bad to bad, you see the girl now. When I always say, make the man take my back way. 99 hours. Everything said and done. You get me? Cause it's a girl that really like me and her is like family, you know. You get me? Things happen. Everything said and done. But this man now I come story it up, people. Tell me if you not see say man a story it up. Done Debbie, carry something done. Me I done my sister. You get me? One thing with me now, you say me I have something I me like you. Me not carry on. I'm not carry. Even when me did up on the live, I'll know me not done the girl. I don't done the girl, I'll know. I'll know I don't done that. I was just talking. After me get the kick down, I me up on the live. As much as you hear me that one, I'll know I don't done the girl. I don't done the girl. And this man now come a friend up with the girl for banter me for start a new shit. Cause you see that man there, me could have, if me have follow him, me could have diss up the girl pan this now. But me not gonna do that, cause me know what them a do. Know what them a do. A story shit with the woman them boy. That's what them boy ya do. Batty boy you call them. Them boy they can't be real man. Uncle Batty man alone behave like that. Real man now do them fuck the people. No walk me up on the eye. Walk me up on the eye and watch the Batty boy them. Batty boy them they right beside we at daytime and night time. Them stand up right beside the people. So me hear Michibu talk it what they say. People where they about long time wanna forgive them respect. And people as I lift up me hand to the Almighty, that's why I like Michibu. Ask her, and a friend me a look. We are come from zero blood. From zero we are come man. And no matter what, I can't hate Michibu cause number one, she look good. She keep up herself. She keep up her standard. You get me? Only thing she do a party and enjoy what the fuck do man and she ain't doing nothing blood. You get me? England is a country, you have to live like that. Because if you don't live like that, you're going to stay in your house and mad out or stun stupid. You get me? Some people, I'm not going to lie, yo. Some people choose still, some people in them house and do different thing, you know. Some people don't come and dance and them do different thing. Some want to forgive people them respect, or some want to pussy will just come in and dance and want to come run it. Give the bum buckler people them respect because they ain't long time. Batty boy, I want to pussy we are pushing out and show no. Things only can come fight against someone in a dance and win. Batty boy, a man no one go wind up pan. Eh? Can't see what if a girl in a dance and they fight them out and push them out. I don't want the girl to make the money. Eh? ZX, I want some batty boy. Some of them batty boy I need to get some slapping at them face. Some of them glad say me and about clear man. Me say me was a man and a witness all of this pussy and down a throat me kick on up. Remember me telling you that. Nah lie. Birmingham girl them are do very good. The woman them is doing fine. Our London girl them to them are do good. The man them now go with nothing them broke. And I fucking depend on the girl them every day. Girl them a live off her. None of them don't have a house. None of them don't live nowhere. Them don't live nowhere, believe me. People not lie. Man them broke and have nothing. That's why them a fight the girl them so hard blood. But you know sir, some of them plan to push out the West Kingston people them too. People, I'm gonna make sure I tell you this. Them say them not like nobody from West Kingston. And when them say the people them go with themselves, here, they think of West Kingston here there. You think of Dodo's place this. Hey, where Dodo stay? I saw them behave down here. I truly don't want to talk the things them. If them ever make me leg on me without clap mouth. Remember, I think President for him, they right our foot. That you never know. Dodos is not far away, it's right at our foot. Remember me tell you that in good all I watch a video here too. Remember me the tell you. Enough love, respect. We don't like nobody from West like we do nothing pussy. We know from the way batty boy, back up man, I want to uno. Pussy. If me ever hear one more I want to call Dodos name now, no more again and I swear I'm batty boy. We don't like no blood clot body we do good in our life. And we're better than we don't like them. No for stop it. We not shit house. Shit bag. My girl Debbie, big up. The girl them are going good. Me like how the woman them make them money and I do the things them. Pussy, I want to honor. So my mother dead and I could have bring me and my kids them go to Jamaica immediately. Pussy. So my family them do it out of spite and not bring my picnic them. I don't know why they do something like that though. God up I ever know. If my mother dead, me don't want the whole of England to come to our funeral, all our grandparents them. I don't know why my family them. If me and them have a little argument, I don't know why make them flap my kids them like that. And that's one of them where that's one of the something where kill me heart. Cause I can't believe them go that deep with my kids them and I bring down my kids them, you see me? But sure that done gone already. We are dealing with them batty boy here in Birmingham. People want to believe me from my head to my toe. People me can't do this every day, but I feel embarrassed with it. I feel shame. People, you say me no say something right with you. My girl, you have cigarette? Go on and come. I'm here just for that. Wanna do me here. People, me tell you something. You say me know something about you, me are the last one to talk about it. Come of shame for you. Me can't know something about boy and quick for one tell you. Me can't do it. Me don't know me different. I can't. You have to trouble me. You have to fuck with me if you come out and say bad things about you. You get me? You have to trouble me. I can't just get up. Cause enough time I see them I do the fuck and I can't come talk, you know. Kingston 13 up all the time. Some pussy are going like them better than we, and we are the baddest, my girl. We are the baddest. I want them pussy and a ramp with my name again. Call my name one more time. Batty man on us. Pussy. You send your friend come take me back way. I instigate I'm like on an instigator, you know. Me leave your friend and deal with you. Me leave the man to take me back way and deal with you. I like instigator from me young. Me a promote my place. Oh, you mean? Go on feature.